How to redeem Temu codes. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can redeem codes on Temu. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up the Temu and sign into the account that you wish to redeem your code on. Here now what you want to do is you want to first go ahead and add the item that you wish to purchase to your cart. Once you have done so, you want to head over to your cart option and you want to proceed to checkout after you select the item. On the checkout page, now here under payment methods, if you scroll down further below, you'll be able to see the option that says apply coupon code. So if you want to apply the Temu code, you want to simply tap on apply coupon code here, and then it'll give you a page to enter in your coupon code. Now in my case it's failing to load, but here you should be able to enter in your code and get particular. So you can see here it has loaded up. You can autofill the code, paste the code here, and then tap on apply, and you'll be able to use it on your purchase. So this is the way that you can use or redeem Temu codes. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.